Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 3, Exercise Sum number 8. From the following balance sheet of Subha and Sudha, who shares profit and losses in 3:2, calculate interest on capital at 5% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. So, the information given here, let's read. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2018 is liability side capital, Subha 40,000 rupees, Sudha 60,000 rupees respectively. Current liabilities is given here, fixed asset and current assets also given here. Drawings of Subha and Sudha during the year were 8,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees respectively. Profit earned during the year was 30,000 rupees. So, what they didn't given? They didn't given opening capital. Okay, if they given opening capital only, we are going to calculate interest on capital at the rate of 5% for the year ended 31st December 2018, right? So first we have to find out opening capital. To find out opening capital, we have the format. So listen here, if the capital at the beginning, which means opening capital, is not given, then it can be calculated as below. So from this format we are going to find out opening capital. The format is capital at the end. Listen. Capital at the end means balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Subha's capital, Sudha's capital. This is the end of the capital. Okay. Closing capital they have given here from the balance sheet. So you have to enter that end of the capital here. Respective partners, we have to add drawing with the end of the capital and add capital withdrawn during the year with the end of the capital. But according to this chapter, in that new syllabus, they didn't given capital withdrawn during the year. Okay, so we don't consider about the capital withdrawn during the year. So we have to add drawings with the end of the capital. Okay, with that answer, you have to subtract profit during the year, and additional, if they given additional capital, that also you have to subtract it with that answer. So finally you will get the answer. That answer is called capital at the beginning. So with this format we are going to prepare the opening capital. Okay, so as per the format we have to create the column, that is particulars. The partner's name we have to enter here. We are in this sum we have two partners, that name, respective name is Subha and Sudha. Okay, so end of the capital for Subha is 40,000 rupees and Subha's end of the capital is 60,000 rupees. Capital as on 31st December. Listen, 31st December 2018. This is the end of the capital. So capital as on 31st December 2018. Both partners capital we have entered. With that capital we have to add drawings. Listen, Subha's drawing is 8,000 rupees, Sudha's drawing is 10,000 rupees respectively. So as per the format we have to add drawings. Okay, after added you will get Subha's 48,000 and Sudha's 70,000 rupees. With that answer you have to subtract profit already credited. How they share the profit? Listen, they share the profit the ratio of 2:3. So what's the profit they get? During the year they earned the profit 30,000 rupees. So for 30,000 rupees you have to calculate 2:3 ratio. So they share the profit 30,000 rupees for 2:3 means 2 for Subha for 2 and Sudha's profit sharing ratio is 3. Okay, so equal to 2 plus 3 5. So how will you calculate? 30,000 into 2 by 3, 2 by 5 total amount. Denominator you have to enter the total ratio. Okay, and for Sudha 30,000 into 3 divided by 5. Okay, so for that you have to cancel it now. 1 5 is 5, 6 5s are 30. Okay, remaining 3 0 you have to add it here. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 0 12,000 rupees. Okay, for Sudha's profit, and Subha's profit is 1 5 is 5, 6 5s are 30, 3 into 6 18. This 230 is to be added here. So Subha's profit sharing ratio, so Subha's for 12,000 rupees and Sudha's profit is 18,000 rupees. Okay. So listen, we have to subtract profit. Sudha's profit 12,000 and Sudha's profit is 18,000. 2:3 we have get the profit. Okay. Now we have to subtract it. After subtracted, you will get 36,000 for Subha's opening capital and 52,000 for Sudha's opening capital. Against this amount, we have to enter capital as on 1st January 2018. This is the opening capital for Sudha and Subha. Now we are going to calculate interest on capital for both the partners. First we take Subha's interest on capital. On opening, what is the format? You have to write the format, okay, without file. The format is amount of capital into rate of interest. Amount of capital, Subha's amount of capital is 36,000. Rate of interest 5%. So 5 by 100. Okay. So now we have to cancel it. 1020 is to be cancelled for this 20. Remaining 36 into 5. This 0 is added here. Now 5 6 are 30. Remaining 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. This 0 is to be added here. 1,800 rupees interest on capital for Subha, and Sudha's capital on opening capital for Sudha is 52,000 into 5 by 100. So now we have to cancel it. 0 0. This 20 is to be cancelled. Remaining 520 into 5. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. 2,600 rupees. So Sudha's interest on capital is 2,600 rupees. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Please subscribe my channel.